Hi, thanks for checking my six-figure side hustle review. This is a training that shows you how to build a six-figure business and generate a six-figure income in your spare time. So you get free docuseries review the secret of creating a six-figure income in your spare time. So to get access to or to get a free pass to this primary of the six-figure side hustle docuseries, make sure you click the link below to get access to this page. So when you get access to this page, you can input your name and your email address. When you input your name and your email address, then you get access to watch all 9 episodes. So you get your free pass to the primary of the six-figure size also the docu-series before times runs out. So click the link below now to input your name and your email address. Then click give me free access. So let's look at the preview of the training from the creator of this program.
In the U.S. is the highest it's been in 4 decades.
You're spending a lot more money at the supermarket these days.
A third of middle-income adults don't have $400 to cover an unexpected expense.
Inflation is really squeezing people right now in significant ways.
We've gone through a lot in the last few years, especially inflation, gas prices. There's no end in sight. Interest rates are going up. That's eventually going to have a long-term effect on things like layoffs.
When you're looking at the way the economy is right now with the banks and everything going on, there's a lot of uncertainty if you're paying attention.
They're looking for security in a world that can't provide it. People work at a job and they think they have security until the day that they get fired. It's like a chicken.